Let me tell you something no one else will. Attracting women isn't about being rich, good-looking, or smart. It's about mastering yourself. Forget what society tells you about dating. Expensive gifts and good looks aren't the key. What really pulls women in is your emotional strength, your ability to remain calm and unshaken. Without this, no amount of pickup lines or confidence tips will help. If you've ever been ignored or rejected, it's because women can sense you're not in control of yourself. But here's the good news. By mastering simple Stoic principles, you'll attract women effortlessly. This isn't just another dating tip. This is the strategy to unlock her heart. It all starts with you mastering your mind and emotions. Society misguides men, telling them to chase women, shower them with compliments, and act like someone they're not. But here's the brutal truth. The more you chase, the more you lose yourself, and she can feel it. Women are attracted to men who are centered, not those seeking validation. Master yourself, and you'll stop chasing and start attracting. When was the last time you felt fully in control of your emotions and actions? Most men react to everything, her moods, her tests. But mastering your inner world through Stoicism gives you emotional resilience, which not only gets her attention, but keeps it. Stoicism teaches you to stay calm and grounded, making you the kind of man women want. Women don't want to be chased, they want to be drawn in. When you stop chasing, they start noticing you. This is because you display something 99% of men don't: self-control. Stoicism is your secret weapon. It's not about manipulating. It's about becoming the kind of man who naturally attracts through who he is, not through tricks or lines. Now that you understand Stoicism's power, let's talk about words. Most men believe they need clever lines, but women have heard compliments like, "You're beautiful," a million times. What they rarely hear are compliments about who they are. Start using her name. Compliment her intelligence or passion. Show her you see her for more than her looks. Genuine compliments connect deeply. Also, practice gratitude. Women notice when you appreciate the small things, and a sincere thank you can make her feel valued. However, stop over-apologizing. It weakens your image. Apologize when necessary, but don't apologize for who you are. Words are important, but actions speak louder. Stoicism teaches that your actions should be deliberate and confident. First, master your body language. Stand tall, relax your shoulders, and hold eye contact without overdoing it. Second, move with purpose. Confident men move slowly and deliberately, signaling that they belong wherever they are. Third, small gestures like remembering her favorite book or checking in on her challenges show you're paying attention. Stop trying to entertain her with jokes and stories. Instead, be present and listen. Women want a man who listens deeply, not one trying to be the life of the party. Finally, apply Stoicism when things don't go as planned. If a date is going poorly or she starts pulling away, most men panic. But a Stoic man stays calm, doesn't chase, and gives her space. Women are drawn to men who don't need them and are secure in themselves. At the end of the day, none of this works if you're not true to yourself. Stop trying to be who you think she wants. Instead, embrace your flaws, be the best version of yourself, and live with purpose. When you master yourself, everything changes. Relationships, career, life. Women will chase you because of who you are, not what you do. So stop chasing women and start mastering yourself. Be the calm in the storm and watch as your life transforms. If you're ready to dive deeper into this journey, subscribe now and let's build the life and relationships you deserve.